New year, new EDC, starting with the travel sling from Tortuga. And if you don't know Tortuga, they are a California-based company making high-quality, comfortable, carry-on size travel gear with beautiful, minimalist designs. If you love this bag as much as I do, and you want to snag one for yourself, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description. The travel sling comes in at 9.3 inches by 5.9 inches by 2.8 inches with a capacity of 2.5 liters, and it weighs just 8 ounces. The sling is made with Shell 200, which is a 3-layer recycled polyester sailcloth material that was originally developed for the sails of racing boats. In addition to the heavy-duty shell material, the bag also features industry-leading YKK zippers, a high-end Woojin buckle, and a really nicely padded back panel. The travel sling comes in at $95 US. Let's check out what we can fit inside. Next up, we have a pocket-sized camcorder from Target's in-house brand, Heyday. And this little thing is as plug-and-play as it gets. Just pop in a standard SD card, and you're ready to shoot. The camcorder films up to 2.7K, but I'm not sure how accurate that actually is. To be honest, picture and sound quality is not what this camera is made for. Think of this as a toy camera. It's simple, cheap, portable, and it's a ton of fun to use. This thing drips with nostalgia, especially when using the stuttering zoom feature. It's lightweight and it feels great in the palm of your hand. Throw this in your everyday carry sling or in your bag while on vacation and capture some home movie style videos that you'll cherish for years to come. The Heyday Camcorder retails for just $60 US, and I'm having so much fun with this, and I'm pretty sure you will too. Lastly, let's check out a brand new book on Madvillain's soul album, Madvillainy, from the Bloomsbury 33 1/3 pocket book series. And for those who aren't familiar with Madvillain, it was a collaborative experimental hip-hop project between producer Madlib and MC MF Doom. Madvillainy was released in 2004, and to this day, it remains a unique and completely original album, not only for the genre of hip-hop, but for music in general. Doom's extensive vocabulary and wordplay, mixed with Madlib's beats and samples of everyone from prog rock legends Gentle Giant to jazz savant Bill Evans to minimal music pioneer Steve Reich, it's like nothing you've heard before, and it's impossible to recreate. In this book, author Will Hagel blends fiction and reality to tell the story of how this album came to be made through 3 fake journalist superheroes that are interviewing real-life producers, MCs, and record label execs. Some is fake, some is real, but it is such an interesting read, and one that tries to capture the essence and originality of the album itself, along with the mythology and the folklore of the artists who were involved. You can pick up this pocket-sized 152-page book for just $14 US wherever books are sold. And that's going to be it for this week's video. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.